Kim Robert De Leon is the new Secretary of the Department of Budget and Management, becoming the youngest member of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s cabinet. Secretary De Leon is expected to take his oath of office tomorrow. A career public servant, Secretary De Leon is recognized for his work in fiscal management, organizational reform, and digital transformation. He graduated magna cum laude and valedictorian from UP and CPAG. He also topped the 2016 Environmental Planning Licensure Examination and holds master's degrees in urban and regional planning and public safety administration with academic honors. Additionally, Secretary De Leon obtained a certificate in business process management from the Queensland University of Technology in 2021 under the Australia Awards Scholarship Program. Meanwhile, DBM, former Acting Secretary Rolando Rolly Toledo, will be appointed to the Board of Trustees representing the leading organizations or associations of government employees retirees or GSIS. Wala pa pong anumang makokomento sa panawagang yan. Hindi po ito napag-uusapan sa ngayon. Kumbaga ako'y witness. Wala po sa akin, personal po, ay wala naman po akong nakitaan na natanggal ang tiwala ng Pangulo kay Secretary John Vic Remulla.